Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Hi, quick video about how to repair a control circuit for a fan, household fan. This control unit have the capability of controlling the speed, the RPM, and the on and off, and also the switch, the oscillator, which drive the motor, which is the drive motor for the grill that distribute the air in a circular way. So this fan, it's an 18-inch fan. As you can see, it got really nice metal blade, and also as you can see there is a motor in here. Now this fan came to me because the customer who bring it, he said that he plugged it in the AC outlet at the night, and in the morning it stopped working. So when I opened it up, I saw the common failures in these is this resistor, which is the load resistor that it is existed between the capacitor, because this circuit is powered by transformless circuit. It means the transformless circuit, it means there is a capacitor, and it got the power directly from the power grid through this resistor. So the power came from these two wires, through these two, through the fuse, through the resistor, to the capacitor, to the entire circuit. So what I have to do now is just try to replace this resistor, and we hope it will work. So I'm going to do this and I will be back. There is a number of values regarding this resistor, but the common value, it is 47 ohms, 2 watt, 5 watt it's better, but 2 watt it is available in my stock, and this is the same kind they use. As we can see, if we wiggle it a little bit, it wiggles. So this is the failure point around here, and I'm betting if I just solder it, it will work, but I'm going to replace it with a brand new and see what happens. And I already budge in a resistor. It is a 47 ohm, 2 watt. In the connections or in the traces of the old resistance, and now I'm going to plug it in and see if this little control board it's going to fire up or not. Okay. Okay. And we have power. This little power indicator now. Let's try to speed on. Oh yeah. The motor is not kicking. Now let's see why. Is the motor stiff? Or what the hell? Okay. 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 And it is working. So I'm going to test it for a while and I will be back. So earlier we saw how, okay, let me just flip the delta bell of my DMM. Okay. Earlier we saw that how the fan motor spins, but spins really slow at the high speed, and it is drawing the the correct current, but it doesn't uh, reach the correct speed. So this malfunction is caused likely because of the capacitor, the starting capacitor. The starting capacitor is this guy over here. Now the starting capacitor came in many sizes and in many values. This one is 2 microfarad over 400 volts. And the way to test this, if it is working or not, is using a capacitor meter. So I'm going to turn on my capacitor meter to the capacitor mode, as we can see, and I connected some alligator clips or alligator wires to my to the test lead, and in order so I can connect them to the wires of the capacitor. Before I connect this or test the capacitor, I need to shorten the lead. If there is any residue of voltages, you don't want these kind of voltages get into your multimeter, because it will burn it. Now we confirm that they are that the capacitor are discharged, and we are going to clip one lead and the other one, and let's see. And this is a 2 micro, and it is giving a 216 nanofarad. So the capacitor is gone. I'm going now to replace, sorry about that, to replace this capacitor and try to find a replacement for it. I don't believe I have the 2 microfarad, but I believe I have 1 microfarad, so I will connect them in parallel, and I will find a way just to budge them in some place, and this fan should be in working order again. So this is a 216 nanofarad. What the hell? This is way gone. Whoa. So I'm going to do this off camera and I will be back. So I found 2 capacitors. Each one has a capacity of 1 microfarad, and I connect them 400 volts. I connected them in parallel, and now I'm going to hook some power to this unit and see if the motor will spin in the correct speed or not. Okay, power. Okay. Okay, now let's see. Okay. Okay. and it is spinning really slow because uh, I'm using the variac at the low voltages. I'm going to switch to the low speed and see, cancel the variac. Oh yeah. It is working fine now. Now let's solder these two capacitors permanently and hook some leads to them. And this is how I mounted the capacitor. Some hot glue, silicone glue, and I connected like it was came from the factory. And now I'm going to push the power button. I already connected the power. Okay, let me eliminate the variac. Oh yeah. Wow, these type of fans, they're notorious to have a lot of airflow because of the design of the fan and the strength of the motor. So yeah, this fan is ready to go. Now I'm going to close it and I'm done. Thank you for watching. See you next time.